my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna do a back to school makeup look, just in case you're the type of girl or boy who wants to do a full face, you know, your first day style out, look cute, look like a poppin' ass bitch. This is a tutorial for you. But in today's video I'm gonna do all drugstore makeup because, you know, some people, you know, bought like on a budget and shit, and I know I'm the last bitch to say that, cause bitch, I ain't a budget. I am the budget bitch. What's tea? But yeah, like I'm gonna do all drugstore products in this video, and in the next, like, if you guys want to see a high-end video, give me a thumbs up so y'all know, so I know that y'all want to see it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this shit cracking. Period. So yeah, to start out with primer, I'm gonna do two. I always do two primers, one for my pores and one for like all around my face. So for all around my face, I'm gonna do the Rimmel Stay Matte foundation because the key, like, girl, you went to school for 7 hours, honey, or 8, whatever. You want your makeup to last all day and be matte. This will make your skin last all day and just like really lock it in. I love the Stay Matte line from Rimmel, and it doesn't really, you know, diminish my pores like how I want it, but it does keep me matte and it doesn't dry. Like, it's really like a lotiony consistency and I like it. Okay, so for my pores, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I remember when this shit was crazy, flying off the racks, bitch. And the funny story about this is like I was at Ulta and it was like I was looking for it, and it was like, you know, like where the sample stuff is at when you're about to clock in. I mean, I say clock in, bitch, I'm not at work. When you're about to put all the products on the register, it was right there. I was like, oh shit, I grabbed that shit. I ran and grabbed that shit really fast. Like, But yeah, I don't know how I feel about it though. It's not better than the Tatcha one, I'll say that. No shade. Okay, so for foundation, I have a couple options for you guys. So if you're the girl that doesn't really like to like put on a lot of makeup, like full coverage beat cut, I will actually use the BB cream from CoverGirl. Is the Clean Matte BB cream from CoverGirl. I said that already. And yeah, I love this one. It's so, it keeps your makeup matte and it lasts all day. If you don't like a lot of makeup, this will be your best friend. I don't even think I don't know if they have this anymore. This is old. I don't know. Girl, check at Walmart or whatever. I got that at Walmart, I think. But if you are full coverage, honey, I would get the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, the 2-in-1. I love this stuff. It's so full coverage, girl. Like, this shit is litty bop. Like, girl, if you're the full coverage girl that likes to like at school, bitch, get this. Period. But if you like a buildable, like, you know, not bad hard, but you still want to make your makeup last all day, get the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I love this one. And I think I'm gonna use this one today. I haven't used this one in a minute, and it does last forever. I used this for prom, and I was sweating my ass off. I'm a sweaty bitch. This shit lasts. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild one. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I love this concealer for drugstore. It's really good, and it's full coverage. In the beginning, I didn't like it because I thought it wasn't, but girl, it actually is. Like, it's really good. You know what I should have did? I should have used this one with this one. That made like 100% more sense, but you know me, I'm slow. Okay, first, so setting powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. This is one of my favorite powders, hands down. This shit blurs the shit out of your pores and everything. I love this powder. It's in the shade 20 that I'm using. And for using my beauty, for like applying my makeup and shit, I'm using the e.l.f. Total Control foundation. I mean, sponge. This shit is so good. Like, it's only $3. I love it. for the brows today, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I got this in the shade medium brown, and to be honest, this is not one of my favorite brow pencils at all. I'm just using it because I have it, and this is like the only drugstore eyebrow pencil I have. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. Okay guys, so I cleaned my eyebrows up, put some powder, and it's time for mascara. I'm not gonna do my eyeshadow today because normally when I'm getting ready for school, I don't have zero time. So girl, eyeshadow and all that stuff takes a long time. So not tonight, not tonight. But if you guys would like to do like eyeshadow, I would do like a brown look or like a neutral look. I love those type of looks. So yeah, but today I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is one of my hands down favorite mascaras. I need to buy another one. This is like dried out and gunky. Okay guys, it's time for bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette as a bronzer because I have another bronzer from L'Oreal, but I don't really like that one. So I'm gonna use this one. Hit Pan. I love this color. So pretty. I'm gonna use this on the Morphe E42. Okay, so this is one of my favorite times. Blush. Alright, so I'm gonna use two blushes today. This is my favorite blush, hands down. Well, my second, like, I have a lot of favorite blushes, but this is one of my favorites. This is the Rimmel Maxi Blush. This is in the shade Sweet Peach. Sweet Cheeks. I love peachy blushes, period. And I'm gonna apply this on an M405 from Morphe. Then my favorite blush, I personally think, is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. I fucking love this one. It's like a baked blush, so it's gonna have some shimmer in it, but I love it because it gives you a glow before the glow, you know, and you only need a little bit. I love this shit. It's like a peachy, pinky gold color. See? Alright, so this is like one of my favorite parts ever. Highlighter, bitch. I love highlighters. So I have a couple options for you guys because you know I love highlighters. So I have the Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Bloom Time. I love this one. It's like a light peachy type of vibe. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I'm not gonna use it today. But look at it. It looks so wet. Like, I have the other one in the shade Golden Flower Crown, but I don't really like that one because it doesn't show up. It's not that pigmented compared to Bloom Time. And then I have the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade, I hit Pan, bitch. It's in the shade Molten Gold. I love this one. It's so good. But I hit Pan. Oh my god, that's crazy. But the one that I'm gonna use today is the Milani. I broke the top, it broke, but it comes with this. But the Milani Rose Glow highlighter is in the shade Rose Glow, and I hit Pan on this one, and I'm starting to hit Pan on the white one. But I like this palette because you can use the gold one as a natural, and then the white one like as brow bone inner corner, which I'm gonna do that today as well. So I'm gonna apply it on the Real Techniques setting brush. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte setting spray. I fucking love this stuff. It absorbs into the skin so fast, and it makes your makeup last fast. Like, I love it. So, now for lips. I ain't forget about the lips now, honey. So, I'm gonna use the NYX lip liner. It's in the shade London. It's the Suede Matte Lip Liner. So now I'm gonna, for gloss, I love a gloss. Girl, activate your DSLs if you have them, honey. So it's in the shade, I got the NYX Butter Gloss. It's in the shade Fortune Cookie. Okay guys, so there you have it, my back to school makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to see a high-end version, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you like this video, you already know what time it is. Give me a big old thumbs up. Okay guys, I love you guys so much, and yeah, I love you, my moon babies.